We'll guide you through how to manage your Wix data effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Wix website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're on your Wix dashboard, look for the Site Actions button, which is usually located on the top bar of the dashboard. Click on it and then select Manage Site. This will take you to the site management screen where you have various options to handle your site's data. Now, look for the Data Management option on the left-hand side menu. Click on it to view all the databases and collections associated with your site. Here, you can manage your collections by adding new fields, editing existing data, or restructuring the database according to your needs. To add a new collection, simply click on the Create Collection button, give it a name, and set the permissions as required. If you want to edit data, click on the specific collection, and you'll see an interface similar to a spreadsheet. You can directly add, remove, or edit fields within each row. Remember to save your changes to ensure everything is updated correctly. If you need to export the data, look for the Export button usually placed at the top right of the collection interface. Click it and follow the prompts to download your data in a CSV file format which can be opened in Excel or other spreadsheet software. Regularly managing and backing up your data is crucial to ensure you have a copy in case anything goes wrong. Don't forget to analyze the data periodically to make informed decisions about your website. Finally, make sure to keep your database organized by regularly cleaning up unnecessary data or fields that are no longer needed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.